Since the dawn of space exploration, humanity has always strived to push boundaries, but one company, SpaceX, is taking these aspirations to new heights with its groundbreaking rockets. Today we'll explore how SpaceX builds its rockets, how they work, and why they are revolutionizing space travel. SpaceX's most famous rocket systems include the Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy, and the latest, Starship. Each of these rockets shares a key design philosophy: reusability. Unlike traditional rockets that are discarded after a single use, SpaceX rockets are designed to be launched, recovered, and reused multiple times, reducing the cost of space travel. At the forefront of this technology is Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft and the most powerful rocket ever built. With a height of 121 meters and a capacity to carry 150 metric tons, it's designed to transport humans and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, and even Mars. Starship consists of two stages, the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft. The Super Heavy booster, powered by 33 Raptor engines, is designed to lift Starship into orbit. After delivering the spacecraft, the booster returns to Earth, ready for the next mission. The second stage, Starship itself, continues its journey to space destinations. It uses 6 Raptor engines, 3 optimized for use in space, giving it the ability to carry astronauts and cargo deep into space. What makes SpaceX truly special is its ability to land rockets back on Earth with precision. Using advanced navigation and landing technology, Falcon 9 and Starship land vertically, paving the way for rapid reuse, which dramatically lowers costs. Starship's unique design makes it ideal for missions to Mars and beyond. It is capable of on-orbit refueling, meaning fuel tanks can be filled in space, enabling long-distance interplanetary travel. SpaceX's vision includes building colonies on Mars, made possible by this breakthrough technology. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, believes in the importance of making life multiplanetary. By focusing on rapid development and iterating through testing, SpaceX continuously improves its rockets to meet ambitious goals, like landing humans on the Moon again through NASA's Artemis program. Compared to traditional rockets, SpaceX's approach is revolutionary. Most rockets are single-use, contributing to massive costs and waste. SpaceX's reusability reduces the cost of launching satellites, cargo, and astronauts by up to 90%. Its rockets are also more powerful. Starship is the largest and most powerful rocket ever built, capable of carrying far larger payloads than its competitors. In the near future, SpaceX plans to not only take astronauts back to the Moon, but also make space travel affordable for everyone. With Starship, interplanetary travel is not just a dream, but an achievable goal. From reusable rockets to missions that will transform humanity's future, SpaceX is leading the way in space exploration. The journey to Mars and beyond has begun, and with SpaceX, the stars are within our reach.